Shout out to all the survivors out there, guys. I've been there. All my support, all my love. We are not alone. Many things are coming out. Epstein file is just a little scratch of the thumbnail that is coming out. There is a lot of shit, and I know that because I've been there for 10.5 years into this cult in Italy where I was being abused and they did crazy things to me. My mother was there, my sister was there. And I can't even speak because there is a block. That's what they do. But we are in the time of where things are getting out. So we are not alone and we are strong. And wow, crazy.